Now, the second leg of Parliament's budget session kicked off on a chaotic note. Opposition parties staged a walkout from Rajya Sabha over the delimitation issue and the new education policy. DMK members protested in the Lok Sabha over Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's remarks against Tamil Nadu. Shivani Bajaj is joining us now with a quick wrap of the parliamentary action. Shivani.
Well, yes, a stormy start to the second phase of the budget session today as political tensions ran high inside both houses of the parliament. The biggest flashpoint, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi demanded a discussion on the accuracy of voter list after multiple parties, including the Trinamool Congress, raised concerns about alleged discrepancies in electoral rolls. TMC MP Saugata Roy claimed that identical voter ID numbers were found in different constituencies, triggering calls for clarification from the Election Commission. Now, the day also saw a major showdown between DMK and BJP. Lok Sabha proceedings had to be adjourned for nearly 30 minutes after DMK MPs stormed the well of the House, protesting against Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's remarks. Pradhan accused the Tamil Nadu government of being dishonest and ruining students' future by refusing to implement the PM Shri scheme aimed at upgrading schools. He also said that several non-BJP ruled states like Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh have already signed up, but Tamil Nadu has made a U-turn. Amidst this chaos, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav also moved the Railway Amendment Bill 2024 for the consideration of Rajya Sabha. The bill aims to streamline railway operations, enhance passenger services and push for faster infrastructure development. It will now be taken up for detailed discussion in the coming days.
Because sir, आपने सही बात बोली कि वोटर लिस्ट क्या सरकार बनाती है।
मैंने नहीं बोला
नहीं, आपने बोला क्या, और आपने सही बोला कि सरकार वोटर लिस्ट नहीं बनाती है। मगर पूरे देश में वोटर लिस्ट पर सवाल उठ रहे हैं। हर स्टेट में, हर ऑपोजिशन के स्टेट में और महाराष्ट्र में ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वोटर लिस्ट पे सवाल उठे हैं। तो पूरा ऑपोजिशन मिलकर सिर्फ ये बोलने दीजिए, पूरा ऑपोजिशन सिर्फ मिलकर ये कह रहा है कि वोटर लिस्ट पे यहाँ पे एक डिस्कशन हो जाए। आप बनाते नहीं हो, इसको हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, आप डिस्कशन तो कीजिए।
Tamil Nadu government has ready to sign an MOU with Government of India for accepting PM Shri. Few of my members, few of my MP colleagues came to see me. They came to the honorable member who raised the question. She also came to see me with Honorable Education Minister of Tamil Nadu. They agreed, they went back, they have a U-turn. Many more, Speaker Sir, many more non-BJP states, especially Congress, Karnataka. Let me give the example. Karnataka is accepting the NEP and they have some reservation verbally on NEP, but they are implementing PM Shri. In Himachal, they are dishonest, my dear friends, they are dishonest. They are not committed to Tamil Nadu students. They are ruining the future of Tamil Nadu students.
We had clearly said that we have issues with the NEP. We cannot accept it in full because three-language policy is not acceptable to Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And, sir, the truth is, the CM of Tamil Nadu has written to the minister and the Prime Minister saying that we have issues with the NEP, it cannot be accepted in total and the funds have to be released, and he's requested the funds to be released. So Tamil Nadu or the Tamil MPs from Tamil Nadu have never accepted.
Well, Maharashtra